Warning, this video contains controversial facts. This Traeger grill. Proceed at your own risk. The Ironwood 650 wood pellet grill and smoker. Watch out, Alexa is listening. It's a WiFIRE smart device. Never use gas or charcoal again because this creates the original wood pellet grill. Double sidewall insulation improves temperature. Series also has a built-in pellet smoker. Grill smarter, not harder. This WiFIRE technology connects your grill to your home Wi-Fi. And 650 square inches of grilling space accommodates 6 pork butts, 5 ribs, racks, or 10 chickens effortlessly. WiFIRE technology, you can control all your settings. 6-in-1 versatility. A D2 direct drive. Experience more power and more flavor every time you hook up that grill. This is dynamic. It's the leader in pellet grills. The Ironwood series is the best-selling pellet grill. Now, set it and forget it, because how this works: the hopper, the controller, the auger, the fire pot, and then the fan. Customers are just loving this product. If you haven't smoked anything in a pellet smoker yet, you need to get going. But hold on, wait. Don't miss out on this because you're almost ready. Why not check out this special bonus valued at over $297 for you for free, just as a thank you? Super easy. All you need to do to get your bonuses is add that Amazon Traeger grill to your product. Now, you don't need to buy it. You don't have to purchase it if you don't want to. In the description of the YouTube video, put a comment in like wow, or steak, or food, or I'm hungry, ribs. Do any of that. Then go a little bit farther down in the YouTube description and look for georgepauly.com. The bonuses, you'll go to another page and you will get your bonuses. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and click the link down below. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and great grilling out there.